we are moving to the section. So graphing an inequality. So x greater than or equal to 2 is an inequality, right?
Yes.
Now how do you draw the graph for that inequality? So here is your y-axis, here is your x-axis. So put x and y. Now okay, let us revise some elementary coordinate geometry. I'm going to plot some points, okay, and you need to tell me the coordinates. So let's just mark these divisions: -1, -2, -3, and so on. Okay. Now if I mark a point here, what are the coordinates of this point?
4. I mean 4, 4.
4, 4. Okay. Um, how about this one?
5, 2, 2, 5.
2, 5, right? 2, 5. How about this one?
2, 3.
2, 3. How about this one?
1, 2, 1.
2, 1. So if I mark a point anywhere on this vertical line, okay, suppose I draw a vertical line like this. This is your line, okay. Now if you take any point on this line, what will be the x coordinate of that point?
2.
2 will be the x coordinate, right?
Yes.
So this line is actually x equal to 2. So that is the equation of this line. Okay.
Yes.
So x greater than or equal to 2 is actually a region. Okay, it's a region in this plane. So what will that region be? It'll be the entire area to the right of this line. So this entire area. Okay, you cannot actually, mark the boundaries of this area because it's an infinite plane, right? It extends both ways infinitely. So you can just shade this area like this. Okay. So this will be the area where x is greater than or equal to 2. Understood?
Yes.
So how do you know for sure that this is the area and not this area? For that you can just take some sample point. Okay. Let's say you take a point like 4, 4 itself. Okay. The point that you have marked here. Now for the point 4, 4, can you say x greater than or equal to 2? Does it satisfy this inequality?
No.
How do you check if a point satisfies an inequality? For example, let's say the inequality is x plus y greater than 5. Okay. Now can you check if the point 2, 1, so you are checking if 2, 1 satisfies the inequality x plus y greater than 5. Can you check if 2, 1 satisfies the inequality? So how do you check? You put the x coordinate of the point wherever you find x. Okay. So substitute x by the x coordinate of the point, substitute y by the y coordinate of the point, and see if the inequality is satisfied. So here you will get 2 plus 1, right?
Yes.
2 plus 1 greater than 5. Is that true?
No.
It is not true, because 2 plus 1 is less than 5, right?
Yes.
So this is how you check if a point satisfies an inequality. Okay.
Okay.
Now take the point 4, 4. Does 4, 4, so my question is, does 4, 4 satisfy the inequality
Yes.
x greater than or equal to 2? It does satisfy, because if you substitute you get 4, right? Because x coordinate is 4. So you'll get 4 greater than or equal to 2, which is true, right?
Yes.
So if it is true, you can say that this point, or you can say that you should shade this area or this part of the graph. Understood?
Yes.
So yeah, so it's a little difficult to show this on paper, unless you have some colors and all that, but you get the idea, right? So this shaded region is the region representing x greater than or equal to 2. Okay.
Okay.
Now, is this vertical line part of your graph, part of your solution?
Yes.
It is part of your solution, because on this vertical line x is equal to 2, right?
Yes.
So so it satisfies x greater than or equal to 2. So you can say that this vertical line is also part of your solution. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's do the second one. One second. Let's do y less than 4. We are going to draw y less than 4. So as usual, we draw the x and y axis. That's your y axis, that's your x axis. And then so what will y less than 4 look like? So
Y downwards.
downwards from where?
From 4 to down.
Very good. So there will be a line here. What does this line represent? Or what is the equation of this line?
4. Y less than 4.
No, equation of the line will always be an equation. It is not an inequality. It's an equation. So what is the equation of this line? It is y equal to
Y equal to
4.
4.
Y equal to 4, right? Because anywhere on this line, if you take any point on this line, you will find that, what will you find?
X plus y equals to 4.
No.
Less than 4.
You will find that the y coordinate is 4, right? Like for example, let us mark a few points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, so what do you think are the coordinates of this point? This point here.
4, negative 8, 4.
Negative 8, 4. How about this point?
Negative 6, 4.
Negative 6, 4. How about this point?
Negative 2, 4.
So what do you observe? What do you observe?
When you add them, they equals less than 4.
No, not when you add
Oh,
them.
they all have 4.
Yeah, the y coordinate is 4 in each case, right?
Yes.
That is what you observe. Or you can say y is equal to 4. That is the equation of this line. Okay.
Okay.
So y less than 4 will be which region? Will it be this
Uh,
region?
no, down.
Down, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So it will be the region below this line. Okay.
Okay.
So let's maybe use a different color. So it's going to be this region. And do you think this line is part of the region? This horizontal line, do you think it is included in the solution?
Uh, yes. No, no.
It is not, right? Because y should be less than 4. Y cannot be equal to 4, right?
Yes.
So that means this line is not part of your solution, right?
Yes.
So just to indicate that the line is not part of the solution, we draw a dotted line. Okay.
Oh,
So we draw a line like this. So the dotted line means that the line is not part of your solution. Understood?
yes.
So for greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, you will have a solid line. But for greater than or less than, you will have a dotted line. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now let's see. By drawing appropriate axes, shade the region which satisfies each of the following inequalities. Y greater than 2 means, okay, so how will you draw it? First you draw the axis x and y. So y greater than 2 will be here, right?
Yes.
So will it be a dotted line or a solid line?
Dotted.
Yeah, so you first draw a dotted line. And your region will be
Above.
above. Okay, so this will be your answer. Similarly, x less than 3 you can draw, right?
Yes.
Less than or equal to 4 also. Less than or equal to 4. Simple, right?
Yes.
So it will be, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So y less than or equal to 4 will be, this is a different color. So you have y equal to 4 here. So y less than or equal to 4 will be this region, right?
Yes.
And it's going to be a solid line this time, right?
Yes.
Okay, now let's see um, graphs like y greater than 2x plus 1. How do you draw this graph? Y greater than 2x plus 1. So do you know how to draw the equation or draw the graph of this equation y equal to 2x plus 1? Do you know how to draw this graph? You must have learned this before, right? Drawing the graph of a linear equation.
Yes.
Do you remember? What did we do? How did we draw the graph of a linear equation?
We make a table.
Very good, very good. Yes. We make a table. So we put some x values and y values. So for example, y equal to 2x plus 1 is your equation. If you put x equal to 0, what is y?
1.
Y is 1, very good. If you put x equal to, let's say, 1, y is
3.
3. Yes, that's all you need. You just need 2 points, right?
Yes.
So now you plot 0, 1. Where is 0, 1? Here, right?
Yes.
This is 0, 1. Where is 1, 3?
Here.
1 3 is here, very good. 1 3 1 3, and then you just need to join these two, right?
Yes.
So we just draw a line connecting these two like this, and that is your graph of, this is the graph of,
Non-linear.
this is the graph of which equation?
Y y greater than x 2x.
This is the graph of an what is the equation? What is the equation
Y
representing
equals
this
to
line?
2x plus 1.
Yes, y equal to 2x plus 1. Now, which will be the region representing y greater than 2x plus 1?
Above this side.
Above this line. Yeah, very good. Yes, yes, yes. So you will have this region, right? There you will have y is greater than 2x plus 1. But should you draw a solid line or a dotted line?
Dotted.
Dotted line. So always when you draw the line, remember that. Okay.
Okay.
So 3. And if you have any doubt, you can just try, substituting one of the points. So let's say, what is this point? What is this point? What is this point? On the y-axis.
3
So 3
0
0 0 3, right?
Yes.
0 3. Is 0 3 included in this region? How do you check?
We add the values 0 and 3.
0 and 3. So your inequality is y greater than 2x plus 1. So if you put 0 and 3, you get 3 greater than
1.
0 plus 1, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so 3 greater than 1. Is that true?
Yes.
It is true. That means, what does that mean? It means 0 3 is should be part of the region representing the solution, right?
Yes.
So you got the idea, right? So this region is actually the solution of this inequality, right?
Yes.
Usually when you say solution of an equation, you will have a specific value of x and y, right?
Yes.
But when you say solution of an inequality, it will be a region, right? It will be a region in your coordinate plane or xy plane. Okay. Now, sometimes in your exam, you will have questions like this. The second one, by drawing appropriate axis, leave unshaded the region which satisfies the inequality. So the first question was shade the region, okay, and the second question is leave unshaded, so you have to shade the other part. Understood?
Yes.
So yeah, so you should pay attention to the words in the question, okay, and you should shade your correct region. So if it says leave unshaded, then you should shade the other region. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, let's do just one of these. Let's do E. Okay, so we are doing this one. So your inequality is 2x minus y greater than or equal to 3. Okay, tell me, what should you do?
Move 2x.
Move 2x. Okay, not really necessary, but yeah, you don't really need to move anything.
2x minus y. So the table.
Yeah, you just make the table for 2x minus y equal to 3, right?
Yes.
So your table will look like this: x, y. When x is 0,
Y is 0.
y is 0.
Y is 3.
So 3. When x is 0, just substitute x equal to 0. Just put 0 in place of
Negative 3.
negative 3. Then when x is let's say 2, y is
Y is 1.
y is 1. Very good. Yeah, you need not take 2. Okay, you can take any number you want. You can take 1 also. Okay. So as long as you get like 2 integers that you can plot easily, you can use that. Okay. So if x is 1, y will be
Negative 1.
negative 1. Very good. Okay. So you take any of these, any two of these points. So let's say you take 0, minus 3 and 2, 1. Okay. So where is 0, minus 3? 0, minus 3 will be. Can you move your mouse and show the location? 0,
Here.
0,
Here.
minus 3. Yes, this is 0, minus 3. Then 2, 1.
Here.
2, 1 is there. Yes. This is 2, 1. And then you just join this, right? This and extend. So what does this line represent? What does this line represent?
2x minus y equal 3.
Okay, so the equation of this line is 2x minus y equal to 3. 2x minus y equal to 3. Okay, so your inequality is 2x minus y greater than 3. Okay.
So above everything here and solid line.
Is it above?
Yes.
How do you know it's above? Can you tell me some point which is above this line or
Oh,
which is in this region? Can you tell me any point which is in this region?
0, 0.
0, 0. Yeah. So does 0, 0 satisfy the inequality? Does 0, 0 satisfy this inequality?
No.
So what is your conclusion?
Below.
Yeah, so you should shade. Yeah. So the actual solution is the region below this line, but in the question they have asked you to leave unshaded the region which satisfies. So our shading turned out to be correct after all. Okay.
Yes.
So it was an accident, but still we did it correctly. So this is the solution. You should shade the area above this line.